S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow, all the three traded bullish today as well. We have seen S&P and Nasdaq creating the records, fresh records, all-time highs today, while Dow Jones is also trading with a bullish bias. So what to expect now with the US session from S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. First update I always release with the Asian Europe session. Do not miss to watch that. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's first S&P on the hourly charts. You can see it is taking support from the 20 period, and the prices are just hovering around 20 period with moderate bullishness here. And now it appears it is willing to move towards 614042 zone, and if it trades beyond 614042, you can expect another round of rise here. See the rise consolidation, it is waited for the 20 period to move up. It can move towards the highs which are right now positioned at around 6160 levels. So let's wait for it to give you a breakout. Stochastic is rising. MACD has hit a bottom and it has just crossed over, which is suggestive of slight bullishness. The RSI is rising, which is again suggestive of slight bullishness here. Coming to 2-hour chart, similar observation, see support levels from 20 period. Pretty strong support is created here. Thus now a selling entry is only below 6120, and if you're selling at 6120 as well, it is going to be pretty difficult for it to stay now below 6110 and 6100. Only and only if you see S&P trading below these two levels, you can say that now the bears are taking over. Stochastic at top, MACD has retraced here, trying to cross over for a buy. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is rising, which is a good sign for the bulls. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour chart, similar observation, but what I am worried about is this formation. And if you look at symmetry here, so this, it is still trading at higher highs, but I am still worried of, because see, what preceded this was a drop here. What could follow with is a drop as well, but right now it is looking upwards and does now wait for it to trade beyond 614042 to see it has formed a neck and it is ready to diverge here. Let's wait for it to diverge. Stochastic rising, the MACD is crossed over for sell. The RSI is almost trading flat with moderate bullish bias. Coming to 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here. Higher lows, higher highs. Let it break beyond 614042, then you can confirm that the bulls are taking over, as the reversal can be expected. Consider this as a symmetry. Prices can move towards 6110, and a drop below 6110 and 6100 is a sign of reversal. Yes, the indicators are rising. MACD at the top, but it is running flat, neither bearish nor bullish. RSI is running flat. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see very simple formation. After consolidating here, it has given this rise, and see increasing body size, increasing bullishness, consistently delivering higher highs. Possibilities there that we may see it moving towards 615060 zone. So if you see it is staying beyond 614042, initiate a buying entry for 615052, 6160, and 6164. Beyond 6160 and 6164, stay bullish for possible target of 6178, 6182 levels. And if this is taken, then 6200 has to be there. Remember, what's happening for S&P is the rise, the retracement, and it is trying to break out. Now this breakout can lead to a stronger rally in the near future, but remember, it is also trading overbought on stochastic, though the MACD has still room for further rise, and the RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, what you can do now, see, first buying entries we have seen at 614042, but now let's talk about the selling entries. You can sell here at 6124. Expect 611816 as the first target zone, 611008 as the second, and then 6100 as the third. If it trades below 6100, I think there is no looking back. We are looking forward to a greater correction, 5992, 5980, and if it trades below 6092, 6080, and now once it trades below 6080, we are looking forward to a greater move towards 605040 levels. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq 100. Likewise, what we had seen for S&P, it is also seen taking support from the 20 period moving average. Very, very important for now for Tech 100 to trade below 22,170, 22,120 zone. If it trades below 22,170, 120, you can say that this is a reversal here. As long as it stays beyond, or I have mentioned earlier in the day as well that 22,200, 240 is going to be the prime resistance. What has happened hitting 22,240? It has shown signs of exhaustion. See, the stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has also dropped. The RSI is looking upwards, which is a good sign here for the bulls. If you look at the 2-hour chart, similar observation. But what I am looking at, see, first bearish candle, a sideways swing. Right now, it has started with higher lows, but it can still reverse, and it can deliver a second bearish candle, which can take it all the way towards 22,120, 100. Remember, a drop below 22,100 is a clear sign of more bearishness prevailing. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD right now trading bearish. RSI trading flat. On the 3-hour On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here, rise, retracement, and see this is delivering higher lows and higher highs, possibly heading towards 22,300. If it trades beyond 22,242, 50, stay bullish for 22,300 directly. MACD has crossed over, which is a bearish sign here, RSI top. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation, nothing different. The moving averages here are trading bullish, looking upwards, and the prices are also trading bullish. Notice after the retracement, it is giving a breakout, so this might continue here for a while. Be watchful of this. The stochastic here is overbought. The MACD crossing over at the top is not a good sign for the bulls though. RSI overbought here. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, look at the formation, what it has done for the last couple of days. It has formed a very good base at 22,100, 120. Thus, it is very, very important for Tech 100 to trade below 22,100, 120. Remember, once it trades below 22,100, 120, this will become reversal sign and Tech 100 will be back to the bearish journey here. Be mindful of this, though right now you are looking at a breakout, but should not forget the opposite picture here. Yes, once it starts to reverse and trades below 22,021 800 levels, we can look forward to a greater price correction very, very soon in Tech 100. Stochastic overbought here, MACD rising and RSI rising as well. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram, and if you have any query related to the service, you can reach out to me. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now first thing is where to sell. 22,170 you can sell, but remember 22,140, 120 it has to break, and then specifically 22,100. If these three levels are taken till 22,100, it has got very good support. If 22,100 is taken, stay short for 22,070, 22,040, and 22,000. Below 22,000, we are looking forward to a greater move towards 21,900 and 21,800 levels. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. On the upside now, a buying entry is only and only if you see it staying beyond 22,250, 260 levels. Expect 22,300, 320 at the first target zone, 22,365 at the next, and then 22,400. Four levels will appear. Take your trades accordingly. Beyond that, sky is the limit on the upside. Let's move to Dow. US30 on the early charts, you can see it finding support precisely from the zone here. I have mentioned several times 44.5. 20, 44, 480, and this is the zone where we have to focus on. If it breaks below 44.5, 20, 44, 480 zone, we can look forward to a greater price correction. Notice it is forming a narrowing triangle, and also you can connect this like a flag as well, where the lows are still yet to be made, and the lows here are all the way towards 44,400. So let's wait for it to take a direction. If you see it trading below now 44,550, you can take a sell, but then 44,500, 480 should be a good support. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI rising, signs are supportive for further. If you look at the 2 hour chart, similar formation, you see after this drop retrace, and see right now forming lower highs here. Very, very important for it to now trade beyond 44,650 and 700. Any move beyond 44,650, 700 should take it towards 44,760, 780, and once it trades beyond 44,760, 780, we are looking forward to 44,900 levels this time. Yes, it can reach all the way toward 44,900 and in fact 45,000. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI trying to look upwards. On the 3 hour chart, similar formation here. Yes, right now seen taking support here, but it can reverse, and thus wait for it to trade below 44,550 in order to take a sell. But again, this is the zone which is going to be the focus area, 44,520, 480. Any drop below this is a clear sign of more bearishness. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4 hour chart, see 20-50 period moving average, what a good support it is providing. This is the beauty of charts here. Let it break below these levels, and then you can say now the bears are taking over, else it is still bullish here. Everything is flat here. We have hardly seen any stronger movement in US30 so far. Coming to the day, when you look at the daily chart, see forming the support, trying to bounce back lower highs. Let it break beyond 44,760, 780 zone, and then once it trades beyond this, you can expect that we are looking forward to 44,900 and in fact 45,000 levels very, very soon. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. On the downside, be cautious of 44,470, 44,520 zone. Yes, the MACD right now here is bearish, which is not a good sign for the bulls here. The RSI is flat. So looking at this, I'll recommend you to buy at 44,650, 660. Expect it to move towards 44,700, 710. First target zone 44,750, 760 second. And if it breaks beyond this, stay bullish for 44,860, 880 levels. Beyond this, 45,000 levels. next targets. On the downside, a selling entry now I'll recommend is at 44,550, expected to move towards 44,520, 44,480, 470. If these two levels are taken, stay short for 44,400, 420, and below 44,400, 420, stay short. We are looking forward to 44,300 and 44,200 levels very, very soon. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.